St. John's Education Institution, the Old Students Association is organizing this quiz competition. The purpose of this quiz competition is to enhance the knowledge of students, or maybe the students has to aware about the current affairs. So the Old Student Association of St. John's Education Institution is organizing this quiz competition, or what I can say is a e-quiz competition to all the students of St. John's Education Institution, Shankarpura. So dear friends, now I will be presenting to you the questions which you have gone through in the Google Forms, and I will also explain you the questions with answer, and wherever there is required I will be explaining you the meaning of the question and why that particular question is important, and with answers. Dear friends, you can really go through this presentation, and this will also helps you to enhance your knowledge. At the same time, you can also check your answers. So the first question goes like this: all domestic voice calls from which network will be free from January 1, 2021? This is a recent announcements done by the one of the leading communication, what I can say, company or organization in India, and I think the answer is Jio. Second, who has been awarded the knighthood in the UK New Year's honor list? The answer is A. Lewis Hamilton. Now, next, Arya Rajendran has taken charge as India's youngest mayor from which corporation ward of Kerala? The answer is A. Thiruvananthapuram. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lay the foundation stone of lighthouse projects in how many states on January 1st, 2021? The answer is 6. Answer is B, 6. Now, who has been awarded the DRDO's Scientist of the Year award? Now, dear friends, before I announce the right answer, you should know what is DRDO. DRDO, the Defense Research and Development Organization, is an agency under the Department of Defense Research and Development in Ministry of Defense, Government of India, charged with the military research and development. And dear friends, now again the question is, who has been awarded the DRDO Scientist of the Year award? And the answer is Hemant Kumar Pandey. In the next question, you will also come to know what is the invention done by the Hemant Kumar Pandey, or why he was awarded as Scientist of the Year. So here again, Dr. Hemant Kumar Pandey was widely appreciated for developing a leukoskine drug. What does it treat? Dear friends, you should know this drug, and you know the right answer here is vitiligo, or vitiligo they say. Now dear friends, you should know what is this vitiligo. Vitiligo is a condition, or vitiligo is a condition in which skin loses its pigment cells. This can result in discolored patches. Maybe dear friends, you might have seen in some of the people faces white color patches. Not only white color patches in the faces, in all over the body, in different areas of the body, including the skin, hair and mucous membranes. It is a disease that causes loss of skin color and patches. So dear friends, you might have come to know what is the invention done by, or why the Dr. Hemant Kumar Pandey has won this award so for his great invention. So dear friends, the next question: when is the International Day of Epidemic Preparedness observed? It is December 27th. Answer is C, December 27th. Now, dear friends, I think in India, all of us know that the main current affairs is the protest by farmers. Now, here the question is related to that. Which state has passed a resolution against center's agriculture law? And the answer is D, Kerala. India has extended suspension of flights from the United Kingdom till when? You know what happened in United Kingdom, and you know also the corona situation in all over the world, and you also know the spread of new virus. So here again the question: India has extended suspension of flights from the United Kingdom till when? The answer is C. January 7th. The Union government has declared which state as the disturbed area for 6 more months? The answer is D. Nagaland. The cabinet has approved an MOU. It is nothing but Memorandum of Understanding between India and which nation for the peaceful use of outer space? The answer is Bhutan. A new Indian mission will not be opened in which among the following countries in 2021? The answer is Uganda. Which nation plans to have the first nuclear reactor on the moon by 2026? The answer is C. US. Which nation is expected to join the Five Eyes Alliance? So the answer is B. Japan. Which state government has announced a solar power policy 2021? The answer is A. Gujarat. Which place has been announced as Tamil Nadu's 38th district? The answer is B. Duturai or Maila Duturai. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing wrong, but the answer is B. Which state will take punitive action against owners of vehicles with caste stickers? And the answer is Uttar Pradesh. The answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. EAM Jaishankar will be making his first visit to which nation from December 27 to 28, 2020? It is Qatar. C. Answer is C. Qatar. How much percent of COVID cases will be tested for whole genome sequencing in India? The answer is 5%. Who has been named the captain of ICC Men's T20I and ODI teams of the decade? And I think we all know about cricket and many of us are really great fans of cricket. The answer is A. MS Dhoni. Who has been named captain of ICC Men's Test Team of the decade? The answer is A. Virat Kohli. The government has extended the validity of vehicular document to which date? And the answer is March 31st. Answer is D. March 31st. India's first hot air balloon safari in a tiger reserve has been launched in which state? The answer is D. Madhya Pradesh. India's first lithium refinery will be set up in which state? The answer is B. Gujarat. Who has been appointed as the new president of ASSOCHAM? Dear friends, ASSOCHAM is nothing but the Association or Associated Chamber of Commerce and Industry of India. It is an non-governmental trade association and advocacy group based in New Delhi. So here the new president of this ASSOCHAM is answer is D. Vineet Agarwal. So TSO-Ka wetland has been recognized as a wetland of international importance. And the important thing is here is that where it is located. The answer is A, Ladakh. How many Ramsar sites are situated in India? The answer is A, 42. India has lost its second retrospective taxation case against which among the following companies? The answer is B, Carin Energy. Now, dear friends, you should know what this Carin Energy or Cairn Energy is one of Europe's leading independent oil and gas exploration and development companies and listed on the London Stock Exchange, and it has discovered and developed oil and gas reserves in variety of locations around the world. How many people have received the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine in the US so far? The answer is A, 1 million. Which nation has temporarily banned the arrival of foreign nationals from the UK? And the answer is D, Japan. Yeah, hi friends again. Now it's time for me to announce the winners. First of all, I take this opportunity to thank St. John School's Old Students Association Shankarpura for organizing this quiz for students so that students can really involve, learn and develop their reading habits. Not only develop their reading habits, so everybody will come to know the current affairs, what's happening in the country, what developments are taking place, what problems are taking place. At the same time, I again thank everybody and all the participants, and I take this opportunity to announce the winners. From St. John's High School, Shankarpura, the first prize goes to Nishchal Bandari and the second prize goes to Chetan Jogi. Let me repeat once again. From St. John's High School, Shankarpura, the first prize goes to Nishchal Bandari and second prize goes to Chetan Jogi. Congratulations Nishchal and Chetan. From St. John's Academy, Shankarpura, the first prize goes to Dion Naveen Almegia and second prize goes to Janice Rodriguez. So I congratulate Dion and Janice. St. John's PU College Shankarpura, the first prize goes to Rakshita Jogi and second prize goes to Manish Kulal. So congratulations Jogi and congratulations Manish. And once again I thank and I really appreciate all the participants. And dear friends, to remind you once again, every month first Sunday you will receive a Google form containing of the current affairs questions of previous months. I request you to see that you participate maximum in this quiz competition, and once you receive the Google form, I think you have given a time duration. Within the time duration, you are supposed to send back the Google form to concerned person or through mail ID, and every month I will be making a YouTube video in my YouTube channel, and my intention is to explain you the questions, and wherever there is required I will be explaining you the concerned information or concerned explanation, and at last we will be announcing the winners. So dear friends, if at all you are not subscribed to my channel, I request you to subscribe my channel, and this channel I will also be uploading the videos on mental health, videos on different issues on mental health. So I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share among your friends, family and relatives. Thank you.